My beloved child, hear these words from the depths of my heart. I am closing this chapter in your life. Let these words resonate within the chambers of your soul, for they carry the weight of divine intention and a love that surpasses all understanding. My dear one, listen closely to what I have to say. It's time for a change, a new chapter in your life. When I say this chapter is closing, don't see it as just an ending. It's a purposeful shift guided by my infinite wisdom. This closing isn't a sad goodbye, but a way to open doors to new beginnings. It's like turning the page to the next part of my perfect plan for you. Hold on to faith in this moment, because I'm not a God of stopping. I am a God who keeps creating, shaping, and making things better. Take a moment to look back at the chapter wrapping up. Think about what you have learned, how you have grown, and the good things that have happened. Gratitude is like a key that helps you understand why certain doors are closing. A heart full of thanks goes along with what I have planned, bringing peace and trust. As this chapter ends, get ready for the start of a new one. I am leading you to more blessings, unexpected chances, and alignment with what I have planned for your life. Your journey is like a pattern in a beautiful design crafted by my divine will. Spend time talking to me in prayer. Let me guide you, and I will show you why things happen the way they did. I will give you the wisdom to understand my plans and the closing chapter, and the courage to step into the new one. Remember, my child, that I love you more than you can imagine. The closing I am bringing isn't the backing away. It's like a warm ambus, steering you away from things that might hold back your spiritual and personal growth. Trust in me, let go of your plans, and you will see the amazing plan I have for your life unfolding. I am there with you at every closing, every opening, and every step on this journey. Just be calm, trust, and remember I am God. Be blessed in my name. Say and type Amen.